Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side, Pisces. So on your side we have the Strength. Okay, so you're dealing with something which is not easy. Let's see what it is. So let's see what's on your person side, Pisces. On your person side, we have the Ace of Swords, a new beginning. Having the clarity to have a new beginning. Let's see what's the most likely outcome in this situation. The Chariot, okay, things are rolling on pretty fast. Okay. So let's see, why is this Strength here for on your side, Pisces? Why is this Strength here on your person? So for the Strength, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Fool. Okay, and the Nine of Cups, the Knight of Cups. Okay, so let's see what's there on your person's side. Why is this Ace of Swords here on your person's side, Pisces? Why is this Ace of Swords here on your person's side, Pisces? So for the Ace of Swords, we have the Hermit, the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Tower, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. The Ace of Wands and the World. Okay, so let's see, why is this Chariot here for on as the most likely outcome. Why is this Chariot here as the most likely outcome for Pisces? Okay. The Five of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Star. Okay. So Pisces, what I feel here is with the Six of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the Fool, the Nine of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. Okay. So what I feel here is that the strength which is being called for is to just stop focusing on the past and sort out your life, balance your life, see what universe is offering you, take a leap of faith, because what you are getting now, what the new beginning is giving you a lot of satisfaction and a lot of emotional happiness and contentment. With the Knight of Cups, you are ready to open up for new love, for new opportunities, whatever it is. So what I feel is with the Six of Pentacles and the Four of Cups, it's been quite some time that you are not able to let go of the past. You are not able to, you are too focused and glued to the past that you are not able to accept or see what universe is offering you. And even if you are seeing it, you are still to some extent again and again going back to the past. So it is the time, it is requiring a strength, your willpower, your patience to sort things out, to balance your life, stop focusing on the past, take the leap of faith, make a move forward towards your wish fulfillment. And that is what you are doing. You have to do this, and you have understood that this is the need of the hour, you know it, and you are working on it. So definitely you are taking a leap of faith, and once you are able to do that, once you surrender yourself to what universe is offering you, you will get a lot of emotional satisfaction. And here, once you are able to do that, you are ready to open up emotionally. On your person side, we have the Hermit, the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Tower, the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Wands, and the World. So what I feel here is that you have, on your person's side, we have the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Tower, the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Wands, and the World. So what I feel here is that there has been quite some time that this person is trying to heal on something. Okay, this person was trying to heal, this person's heart was in pain, trying to come out of it, and sort of detached and being to themselves. This is the work which this person was doing. Perhaps they were looking for a reunion with someone, that's what I feel. But then unexpectedly new love comes in, that's what I feel. It changes everything here with the world card there. So somehow what I am getting here is that this person has been working on something, or been being hurt over something, looking for something, praying for somebody to come in. The heart was in pain. They were wanting some sort of a reconciliation over here. Okay, that is what I feel. So this person was detached and wanting some sort of a reconciliation, but unexpectedly a new person comes in. That's what I feel with the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Wands, and the World card, which changes everything. With the World being there, things change immediately. Unexpectedly somebody opens up, or they open up to someone. It can be as simple as that, that maybe unexpectedly somebody shows up, okay, and they realize that this is the right person. It can be that. So there was a time in this person's life that they were too focused on the agony and the heartache and whatever was, which was really making them miserable. Okay, and maybe unexpectedly they meet someone, or someone offers them or opens up to them. I mean, you open up to them, it's something like that, and they realize that their love, or so definitely there is a new beginning coming in. This is a new person which is coming in here, that's what I feel, which is just changing their entire world. That's what I'm trying to say. As the most likely outcome, we have the Chariot. So it is getting back in control, taking things, uh, taking the reins of your life in your hand. It's like getting back to life, and it's like taking charge of your life. Yeah, that was the word I was looking for. Taking charge of your life, and things start moving pretty fast. So for that, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Star. So what I feel here is, with the Five of Pentacles, there has been, to me it's like the energy when this person was feeling ignored and rejected by somebody. But then what I feel is, because we have the aces, so there is with the Two of Cups, there is somebody here whom they feel is a strong bond, they have a strong connect to. So that is what I feel. So this person at some point in time was very depressed and upset with the Four of Cups here, Three of Hearts, and the Five of Pentacles. And the moment they decide to take a leap of faith and see what universe is giving them, suddenly unexpected change happens in their life for the positive. Things are back in control, and with the Two of Cups being there, it is a new bond which is being formed, and this person really has a strong, both of you have a strong connect and a passion for each other. With the Six of Wands, things get together, everything is fine, everything is good, you're feeling happy, feeling victorious, feeling good. And with the Star, it's like hope and healing. That it's the hope that, okay, things are okay, my life is now on track, and you just, it's like wish fulfilled. Let's see, why is this Universe card here for? What's the message from the universe for Pisces? The heart of the matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. Number 22 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. There is more going on than meets the eye, the heart of the matter. So maybe this is what is going on. Maybe what was not meant to be was not meant to be. And maybe now you have the right person in your life. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.